The English alphabet has gotten a total number of 26 letters, which consists of 5 vowels and the rest 21 consonants. Now out of these 5 vowels, there are a total extractions of 20 vowel sounds, which consists of diphthongs, monophthongs. Diphthongs are a combination of 2 short vowel and long vowel sounds, or even combination of 2 short vowel sounds. Now vowels can be long as well as short, and the rest 24 consonants consist of both voiceless, which is unvoiced, and voiced consonants, giving a total of 44 sounds as per the IPA transcription.